Alright everyone, so today we are tackling a classic from the ISI BStat BMath entrance. And for those who don't know, ISI, that is the Indian Statistical Institute, is the Hogwarts of the mathematics in India. Okay, so let's go to the question first. Evaluate limit n tends to infinity 1 by n plus 1 plus 1 by n plus 2 plus, and this goes up to 1 by n plus n. Okay. So this is a very nice question. We will solve this question in this session. Okay, now to solve this, we first need to write this mess in sigma notation. We need to find the DNA of these terms. Now look at the denominator. It's like n plus 1, n plus 2, n plus 3, all the way to n plus n. And what is changing? The number being added to n. So let's call that variable r. So our sum Sn, that is summation r equal to 1 to n, 1 by n plus r, right? Now why n plus n at the end? Because r goes from 1 to n, and if we went to 2n or 3n, our limit would change. So always check the boundary of your summation like you check your phone battery before a long trip. Okay, so now the limit says n tends to infinity, right? So this is the part where the students start crying, but we have a trick. We need to force this into the form of 1 by n f of r. Okay, so let's put n out of the denominator. So 1 by n plus r equal to what? Now our sum looks like 1 by n into summation of right. So limit n tends to infinity this is what? Integration 0 to 1 fx dx. Now think of 1 by n as your dx and r by n as your x. Okay, so we are literally turning the staircase of rectangles into a smooth slide. Now we just translate the things. Okay, so r by n becomes what? X. 1 by n becomes dx, and the limits, since r goes from 1 to n, the ratio r by n goes from 1 by n to 0 and n by n to 1. So our problem transforms into integration 0 to 1, 1 by 1 plus x dx. So if you can't integrate this, we need to have a very serious talk about your life choices. So this is the natural log, right? So this is natural log 1 plus x 0 to 1. Now this is natural log 1 plus 1 minus natural log 1 plus 0. So this is natural log 2 minus natural log 1. Okay, and since natural log 1 is 0, so our final answer will be what? Natural log 2. Okay, so yes, natural log 2 approximately 0.693, right? So if the sum went up to 1 by n plus 2n, that is 3n, your upper limit of the integration would be 2, not 1. And the examination setters love to change that last term just to see if you paying attention or just memorizing the answer like a parrot. So you just solve an ISI level problem using the bridge between the discrete sums and the continuous areas. Okay, so what was the goal basically? Convert summation 1 by n plus r to integration of fx dx. And what was the substitution? X equal to r by n and dx equal to 1 by n. And always verify the upper limit to the sum to determine the upper limit of the integral. Okay, so we have just solved a beautiful question from the ISI BStat BMath entrance examination. So we will be solving more questions like this with the next session, in the next session. So we will meet in the next session, and that will be very beneficial for you. Okay, so don't miss that out. So bye bye, and till then, keep learning and keep growing with only Dr. Saurabh Sir's classes. Bye bye guys, see you soon.